Hello everyone, welcome to Bag Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best electric oil press machine. Perfect for home use or small businesses, it extracts fresh, pure oil effortlessly. Let's get started. Product features. Efficient hot pressing. The Vivor electric oil press machine features a powerful 700-watt pure copper motor capable of processing 3.3 pounds of oil per hour. Continuous operation up to 24 hours ensures you get maximum oil yield without interruptions. Intelligent temperature control. Its intelligent temperature system keeps a consistent 140 Celsius, so you don't need extra frying. Preheating only takes 5 to 10 minutes, making the process simple and energy efficient, perfect for busy home cooks or small-scale oil makers. Oil residual separation. The built-in stainless steel filter separates oil from solid residues during pressing. This ensures clean, pure oil every time, giving you a healthier product without unwanted impurities or extra filtration steps. Stainless steel construction. Made with food-grade SUS 304 stainless steel, the machine is durable, rust-resistant, and easy to clean. Detachable parts allow hassle-free maintenance, keeping your oil press hygienic and long-lasting. Wide compatibility. This versatile machine can handle peanuts, sesame seeds, rape seeds, flax seeds, walnuts, and almonds. It allows you to enjoy a variety of fresh oils at home or create custom blends for personal or commercial use. Pros: high oil yield with continuous operation, easy to clean and maintain, versatile for multiple seeds and nuts, intelligent temperature control for consistent results, durable stainless steel construction. Cons: slightly heavy, requires stable placement. Preheating takes a few minutes before use. Needs monitoring during long continuous operation. Final thoughts. The Vivor electric oil press machine combines efficiency, durability, and versatility in one compact device. Whether you want fresh sesame, peanut, or walnut oil, it ensures high-quality results every time, making it ideal for health-conscious households. Don't wait to enjoy fresh, pure oils at home. Check the price link in the description and subscribe to Tech Product and like this video for more amazing tech and kitchen tools.